Next chapter is chapter number 10, sets. Introduction. In our day to day life, we often speak or hear about different types of collections, just like a collection of stamps, a collection of toys, a collection of books. So, in the same way, we have different types of groups made for different activities. So, if you are having a collection of a particular object or a particular thing, and that collection is well defined means what? Simply you are getting information, exact information from that set. Okay. Then, what about group? For example, a group of boys playing cricket, a group of girls playing badminton, group of students going for picnic. This is your group, which is well defined. So, collection of particular things or a group of particular objects is called a set. Then, a set is collection of well defined object. Well defined object. Now, what do you mean by this well defined? Simply, uh, a collection of lovely flowers. A collection of lovely flowers. So, this is not a well defined object. This is not a well defined data, because it's not compulsory that all the flowers all the flowers are same for each and every human being. For example, Ram and Shyam, in this collection of lovely flowers, simply we are having uh, for example, you are having rose and lotus. So it's not compulsory that Ram likes rose and lotus both, or maybe Ram likes only rose. Then the same Shyam likes lotus, not rose. Okay. So lovely means what? Um, Lovely is a particular term which is used to represent the particular flower. Okay. Then it's not compulsory. What may be lovely to one person may not be the same to another person. That means कोई फ्लावर जैसे रोज़ है, रोज़ अगर किसी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को पसंद है तो कंपलसरी नहीं कि वो सबको पसंद हो. ठीक है. तो कलेक्शन ऑफ लवली फ्लावर्स इज़ नॉट वेल डिफाइंड. Similarly, a collection of good cricket players. Collection of good cricket players. Simply, this is not a well defined. Why? Because for some person, Virat Kohli is a good batsman, good player, but for some other persons, Sachin is a good one. So it's not compulsory that all the human beings will like Virat only or Sachin only. Some are there who appreciate Virat and some are there who are appreciating Sachin. Okay, so good cricket players, again, not a well defined object. Then a group of players with ages between 14 and 18. Now this is well defined. Why? क्योंकि ग्रुप ऑफ प्लेयर्स की बात हो रही है और एज 14 से 18 तक बात हो रही है, तो इसमें वही प्लेयर्स आएंगे जिनकी एज 14 होगी या 14 से ज़्यादा होगी और 18 से कम होगी. तो ये वेल डिफाइंड है. सो सिंपली डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन वेल डिफाइंड एंड नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स इन मैथ बुक आर डिफ़िकल्ट टू सॉल्व. Again, this is not a well defined set. Why? Because it's not compulsory that all the students will find any difficulty to solve the questions. Clear? So कुछ questions ऐसे होते हैं बुक में जो बच्चे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो that means वो difficult नहीं है. So some problems may be difficult for one person but not so difficult for others. Okay. So the given set is not well defined. Then all objects heavier than 28 kg. So simply all objects heavier than 28 kg. This is a well defined set, well defined data. Why? Because you can compare any object as per weight. If you are having weight of that object more than 28 kg, you can compare. Clear? So this is a well defined object, well defined data. Then we will start exercise 10a. In exercise 10a, question number 1, all the easy problems in your textbook. This is a well defined? No, this is not a well defined, because the same example I have told you now, that some problems may be easy for one person but may not be easy to other person. So this is not a well defined. Then all the three-sided figures, yes, this is a well defined, because you know very well that three-sided figure is only triangle. Clear? So this three-sided figure is triangle and this is well defined. Then the first 5 counting numbers, yes, exactly, well defined. You can count. All the tall boys of your class. Actually, it's not a well defined, because you don't know what is the minimum criteria for being a tall student or being a tall person. Clear? It is not mentioned clearly. Okay, so this is not a well defined. But for example, if you are having a question, all the boys of your class having height more than 4 feet. So now this is a well defined, because 4 feet से ज़्यादा जिनकी हाइट होगी आप मेज़र करके उनको सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. Clear? Then the last 3 days of a week, simply you know, well defined or not defined, you know very well. This is well defined. All triangles that are difficult to draw. Simply to draw triangle, it's not a difficult task, I think. Okay, so this is not a well defined. The first 3 letters of English alphabet you can solve easily, well defined. All tasty fruits. Is it compulsory that some persons are preferring apple, but some are preferring grapes or maybe other fruit? So it's not compulsory that all the people will take apple. Clear? So this is not a well defined. All the clever boys of class 6. Again, this is not a well defined object, well defined set, because we can't judge a student on the terms of cleverness. So कोई भी बच्चा क्लेवर हो सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता है. दिस इज नॉट अ वेल डिफाइंड. ऑल द गुड स्कूल्स इन दिल्ली. Simply you can't compare schools, only we are comparing on the basis of education simply, but exactly comparison is not possible. Okay, for a person, for example, school A and school B are there, so school A is good. Why? Because his son is studying there. Clear? So it's not possible, it's not a well defined. All the girls in your class whose heights are less than your height, whose heights are less than your height. Simply this is a well defined object, because if you know about your height, simply, for example, if your height is 4 feet, if your height is 4 feet, so you can compare whose height is more than your height or whose height is less than your height. Then all the problems in your mathematics books that are difficult for Amit. So difficult for Amit, actually they are mentioning a name. Okay, maybe Amit is a not a good student in math, so we can say defined or not defined clearly, because we can't differentiate on the name. Maybe the answer is yes. Okay, so that is difficult for him. So exercise 10a, solve in book only, no need of solving in copy.